guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw garnets from Steven Universe Future. And in the original show, she was a strong but silent type. But we got to see some of her personality. Turns out she's a fusion of both Ruby and Sapphire. But she's a really strong fighter as well. If you ask me, out of all the gems, she was almost as loyal to Rose Quartz as Pearl. Let's get started on drawing her, shall we?
This is who we are, this is who I am. And if you think you can stop me, then you need to think again. Because I am a feeling, and I will never end. And I won't let you hurt my planet, and I won't let you hurt my friends. Go ahead and try and hit me if you're able. Can't you see that my relationship is stable? I know you think I know something you're afraid of, cause you think that you see what I'm made of. But I'm even more than the two of them. Everything they care about is what I am. I am their fury, I am their patience, I am a conversation. I am a
There we go.
And it's stronger than you. And it's stronger than you. And it's stronger than you.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
This is Garnet, back together. And I'm never going down at the hands of the likes of you, because I'm so much better. And every part of me is saying go get her. The two of us ain't gonna follow your rules. Come at me without any of your fancy tools. Let's go, just me and you. Let's go, just one on two. Go ahead and try and hit me if you're able. Can't you see that my relationship is stable? I can see you hate the way we intermingle, but I think you're just mad cause you're single. And you're not gonna stop when we made together. We are gonna stay like this forever. If you break us apart, we're just gonna make you up, and we'll always be twice the gem that you are. I am a
There we go. Go through.
This is who we are, this is who I am. And if you think you can stop me, then you need to think again. Because I am a feeling, and I will never end. And I won't let you hurt my planet, and I won't let you hurt my friends. Go ahead and try and hit me if you're able. Can't you see that my relationship is stable?
There we go.
I know you think I know something you're afraid of.
Okay, remember, she's got gauntlets for her hands.
Everything they care about is what I am. I am their fury, I am
And
their patience,
done.
I am a conversation.
She has these star glasses rather than the other ones. And, there we go. That is how you draw a garnet. Pretty awesome, don't you think, you guys? Definitely worth it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, one more thing about garnets, she could see into the future, thanks to Sapphire's ability. Anyways, that's about all the time I have for now. I predict that I'm gonna draw Steven soon, just like what Garnet predicted. So, that's all the time I have for now, so I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.